How much XRP do you need to join the elite 1%? You will never guess the number. How much XRP do you need to be part of the elite 1%? You might think it's in the millions, but the truth is far more interesting. With XRP's market dynamics and growing adoption, this number could be your golden ticket to wealth. In this video, I will reveal just how much XRP it takes to sit at the top of the pyramid. Whether you're just starting out or looking to solidify your position in the market, understanding these thresholds is crucial. Trust me, the numbers will blow your mind. The top 10% threshold. Okay, let me start with the top 10% threshold. You only need to hold 3,011 XRP for that. Yes, just a little over 3,000 tokens. With XRP priced at approximately 0.56 right now, holding 3,011 XRP will set you back about $1,786. As of September 2024, about 523,615 wallets are holding at least 3,011 XRP. And while it may sound like a crowded club, remember that some individuals own multiple wallets. For instance, Edo Farina, the CEO of Alpha Lions Academy, claims to have between 15 and 20 wallets himself. I think this number tells us the accessibility of XRP investment for everyday individuals. Unlike some cryptos that require a hefty investment to get started, looking at you, Bitcoin, XRP offers a more approachable entry point. It's like being invited to a fancy dinner party where the host says, "Bring whatever you can." For many, this means they can participate in the crypto revolution without breaking the bank. If you started buying XRP back in 2016, when it was trading at around 0.006, you'd have accumulated a decent amount without even trying. I mean, today, you could be among the top 10% without even realizing it. The fact that so many wallets hold XRP indicates a growing interest in the asset. This diversity is crucial for the long-term stability of XRP. When more people hold a token, it reduces the risk of price manipulation by a few large holders. Now, if you've been dollar cost averaging, DCA, your way through the crypto market, you might already have more XRP than you think. Many investors have been quietly building their stacks since the early days, and they might not even realize they're sitting on a goldmine. Climbing to the top 5%. Okay, let's take it a step further. To break into the top 5%, you'll need to hold 10,100 XRP. At today's prices, with XRP hovering around 0.56, holding 10,100 XRP will cost you about $5,700. Interestingly, just a few months ago, you would have needed 11,000 XRP to be in the top 5%. The number of XRP required to reach this tier is decreasing as more people invest, which is a good sign for the overall health of the XRP community. Right now, about 263,000 wallets are holding at least 10,100 XRP. That's a big jump from just a year ago when there were only about 240,000. So, congratulations to the over 20,000 new members who have joined the ranks of the top 5%. The elite 1% requirement. Okay, let's get to the juicy part, the elite 1%. If you're aiming to join this exclusive club, you'll need to hold a whopping 61,237 XRP. At the current price of 0.56, holding 61,237 XRP will cost you around $34,556. Yeah, I know this number might come as a surprise, but that's the thing about that 1%. You are no longer doing casual investments. You're part of a select group that has a significant stake in the future of XRP. There are only 52,361 wallets currently in this elite category. I think being in the top 1% isn't just about the amount of XRP you hold. It's about the rarity of those holders. The more scarce the asset, the more valuable it becomes. Think of it like a limited edition sneaker drop. Everyone wants a pair, but only a few can snag them. So, what does this mean for potential investors? If you're aiming for the top, you'll need to strategize and think long-term. Holding 61,237 XRP positions you as a whale, and whales often have the power to influence market trends. If you're in this group, you're not just waiting for the price to go up, you're actively participating in the market's dynamics. Institutional accumulation insights. While we're at it, let's cover institutional accumulation. This is where things get really interesting. Ripple has been making headlines with its partnerships with central banks and financial institutions around the globe. For example, Ripple has teamed up with Santander, USA, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, Canada, Kotak Mahindra Bank, India. I think all these collaborations not only bolster XRP's credibility, but also enhance its utility in real-world applications. When institutions invest in XRP, it sends a powerful signal to retail investors. It shows that there's confidence in the asset's future, which can lead to increased demand and, ultimately, higher prices. Just imagine if a major bank in your country announces they're using XRP for cross-border payments. You can bet that the price will react faster than a cat on a hot tin roof. According to recent reports, institutional investors currently hold about 30% of the total XRP supply. That's a huge chunk. This level of institutional interest can create a ripple effect, pun intended, throughout the market, attracting more retail investors and driving up the price. So, you guys need to keep an eye on institutional movements. Follow the news, join online forums, and engage with the XRP community. The more you know about who's investing and why, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Long-term investment philosophy. Okay, we've covered the elite 1% and the role of institutions. Let's wrap things up with a long-term investment philosophy. We all know that in the world of crypto, patience is key. I hear people say, "I'm a whale, I'm not selling, I don't need to." And that's the mindset you guys should adopt. If you believe in the utility of XRP, then short-term price fluctuations should not deter you. There's a certain mindset that comes with being a long-term holder of XRP. It's about patience and conviction in the asset's potential. Think about it this way. When you see the price dip, do you panic and sell? Or do you see it as an opportunity to buy more? Research shows that successful investors often have a clear strategy and stick to it, regardless of market fluctuations. This is where the concept of HODL comes into play, holding onto your assets through thick and thin. If you're serious about accumulating XRP, consider adopting a dollar-cost averaging strategy. Like I said earlier in today's video, you can buy a fixed amount of XRP at regular intervals, regardless of the price. It's like setting up a recurring coffee order. No matter how the market is brewing, you're consistently adding to your stash. Yes, market dips happen. If the price drops in 2026 or beyond, consider it an opportunity to buy more, because utility will reign supreme in the long run. I always say that the more you hold, the more you stand to gain as XRP continues to grow and evolve. Understanding market sentiment can also give you a psychological edge. When you're aware of the emotional landscape, you can make more rational decisions rather than, reacting impulsively. Think of it as having a compass in a stormy sea. It helps you navigate through the chaos and stay on course. In a nutshell, whether you're aiming for the top 10%, the top 5%, or even the elite 1%, understanding the landscape of XRP ownership is crucial. The more you know about the numbers, the community, and the institutional interest, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this exciting space. What's the future? Before we end today's video, I think it's worth discussing the future of XRP and its various use cases. Ripple has surely positioned XRP as a solution for cross-border payments, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions and central banks are obviously paving the way for XRP to be used in real-world transactions. Moreover, as more businesses adopt blockchain technology, the demand for XRP could skyrocket. I think with its fast transaction speeds and low fees, XRP is well suited for a variety of applications beyond just payments, including remittances, micropayments, and even smart contracts. For investors, this means that holding XRP isn't just about the current price, it's about being part of a transformative movement in finance. So, as the utility of XRP expands, so too does its potential value. So, if you're considering your investment strategy, keep an eye on these developments. The future is bright for XRP, and being informed can help you make better decisions. And that's a wrap. So, what are your thoughts on XRP? Are you aiming for the top 10%, the top 5%, or even the elite 1%? Have you had any experiences that shaped your investment strategy? Drop your comments below. If you'd like me to cover any topic, let me know that too. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on central banks are turning to XRP, what you need to know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.